fully aware that we have to take care of each other, not only in an activity like this, but in many occasions of interacting with each other. And so this morning, beyond making sure that we are fit physically, we will also advocate to becoming fit mentally. I thank everyone for participating in this first Angelican Run for mental health awareness, and I enjoin you to always make yourself sound both physically and mentally. Sound mind in a sound body all the time. Let's go and run, Thomasian Angelicans. Good morning.
Yes, kailangan natin ng physical warm-up. We will be using our legs a lot of the time. So for this warm-up, make sure ready ang legs and of course our different parts of bodies for today.
We also thank you for all of us here who are gathered together to support and promote one common goal, which is to make everyone know about mental health.